माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स लास्ट आप लोगों को पीडीएफ दे दिया था सिंगल कमोडिटी के ऊपर इक्विलिब्रियम. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम इन two commodities, that is the two commodities marginal utility of y and marginal utility of x. Now come to the point. Very first, when the consumer consume two commodities x and y, apple and grapes, his or her equilibrium determined in accordance with the law of equi-marginal utility. दो कमोडिटी मतलब कॉम्बिनेशन बनेगा. 3 of apple, 2 of grapes, 4 of apple, 1 of grapes. Combinations either this or that, may be higher, may be lower. That is the law of equi-marginal utility. Very attention, इसको याद रखोगे. The law of equi-marginal utility stated that the consumer is maximize his satisfaction from goods X, means commodity X और commodity Y. Maximum satisfaction कहाँ पे मिलेगा? Combination करते हैं हम लोग, because the resources are very limited. ये हम लोगों का दिमाग में always to be kept in my mind. When the X and Y, when the rupee worth of my rupee worth, what means rupee का जो मेरा returns मिल रहा है is called the what, WORTH worth, is the marginal utility in the same for the age group. Either we have to spend for the milk or we have to spend for the buttermilk. So it's different, but we have to spend on such a way that we can get the maximum satisfactions either of the two commodities. That is the equilibrium level, and it is with the law of equi-marginal utility. Now come to the point. Suppose a limited income of ₹5 of a consumer which he wants to spend in two commodities X and Y as per the board. Suppose the both these commodities have the equal price. दोनों का value of the price is equal, that is per ₹1 per unit. Now equilibrium of the consumer is given. Circumstances can be shown by the following table. Now come to the point. Quantity of ₹1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Marginal utility of commodity X 20, 18, 16, 14, 20, 12, and marginal utility of commodity Y 18, 16, 14, 12 and 16. इसी को हम उस डायग्राम में ड्रॉ किया. So this is the table format. The formula is marginal utility of X is equal to marginal utility of Y, because this up to this is the maximum. देखो यहाँ पे ऐड करोगे 8 plus 6 8 4 carry 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 and 5 54, and this is called the 34. So इसके आगे जाएंगे हम, क्योंकि if we spend 3 unit 3 rupees of the total 3 rupees of the total commodity X and 2 rupees of the total commodity Y, then the total is 54 plus 34, it became 88 is the maximum. देखो एक बार पीडीएफ मैं ऑलरेडी आप लोगों को भेज दिया, इसमें आप बुक में देख लोगे. एक बार मैं रीड कर रहा हूँ. The table shows that when the consumer spend ₹3 on commodity X and ₹2 on commodity Y, the last rupee spent on both the commodities give the equi-marginal utility 16. Now हमने जब यहाँ पे यूज करते 3 रुपीस यहाँ तक आते तो 3 कैलकुलेशन करेंगे. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 354, and when it is 2 spent, क्योंकि मेरा पास 5 रुपया है is my total income, so we can spend only 2, तो हम we get the 34. This is the maximum. इसके आगे जाएंगे तो ये कट जाएगा 18 plus 16 plus 4, and इसको यहाँ से निकाल दोगे 16 plus 14 is equal to जो भी आएगा ऐड करके देखोगे this is the less than 88. Simultaneously इसके बाद तो नीचे आ जाओगे तो ऊपर का दो छोड़ दो 16 plus 14 plus 12, and here is 12 plus 16 को ऐड करके देखोगे वो भी less than 88 आएगा. That is the combinations that when we spend ₹3 on commodity X and 2 on commodity Y, that will be the maximum equi-marginal utility of two commodities. Now the point. So that is the thing. Marginal utility of X is equal to marginal utility of Y दो कमोडिटी इज 16 बिकॉज दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ क्रॉसिंग जो मैंने वहां पे ई पॉइंट पे डिफाइन करके दिखाया. अल्टरनेट यू कैन गो मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ऑफ x डिवाइडेड बाय प्राइस ऑफ x because price of x and y are the same and the marginal utility y divided by price of x is equal to marginal utility of the maximum satisfactions or equimarginal satisfactions or equimarginal utility of the commodity x and y both. So it can be represented in here. Hence the heading will be determinations of consumer equilibrium for the two commodities. दो commodities को मैंने लिया, one is this and other is this one. इसी फॉर्मेट को मैंने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया. This is 1 2 3 4 5 the quantity of rupees, quantity of x either, quantity of y either. This is a combination of the two commodities. इसको अलग अलग भी लिख सकते हैं. 1 2 3 4 this and 1 2 3 4 of that. तो तुम्हें समझ में ज्यादा आ जाएगा. 1 rupees हम इन्वेस्ट करते हैं month of commodity x में, we will get the utility 20. 1 rupees इन्वेस्ट करेंगे तो इस get the 18. ऐसे करके हम इसको सेग्रीगेशन कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे 2 रुपीस किया तो 1 2 plus 3 तो इन 3 रुपये मैंने इन्वेस्ट करके मेरा टोटल यूटिलिटीज बिकेम 54 एंड 2 रुपीस अगर यूटिलाइज करते क्योंकि 3 यहाँ पे दे दिया तो मैं 3 खर्चा नहीं कर सकता वाई के लिए क्योंकि मेरे पास बचा कितना 2 रुपीस. तो आई हैव टू कैलकुलेट दिस टू. तो टोटल यूटिलिटी ऑफ x commodity 3 and total utility of y commodity 2 is became the 88. Simultaneously, अगर 3 of this that means 16 plus 4 14 plus 20 is we can कितना 6 10 तो 12 तो carry forward 1 2 3 4 42 and यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 16 plus 2 that means 30. तो it became 272 less than 2. ऐसे करके तुम एक करके ऊपर से छोड़ोगे and एक करके नीचे से प्लस करते जाओगे. then we will find that the this combination that means 3 rupees of x and 2 rupees of y commodity is the maximum satisfaction. That is the point of this E. So अब मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया 20 18 16 14 12 तो मैंने यहाँ पे 20 मेरे को लेना है तो 20 को मैंने 4 से डिवाइड किया 4 plus 8 plus 12 4 की गैप ले लिया. If we draw in the graph paper that will be more easier and the more accurate of this the diagram. Same simultaneous वहाँ पे भी मेरा कितने है 18 is more, so 18 को मैंने highest level पे रखा है and that is become 16. तो मैंने यहाँ पे भी same 4 8 12 16 and 18 को लिया. तो E is the point जहाँ पे मेरा 3 रुपीस कंज्यूम हो रहा है. 3 रुपीस कंज्यूम होने से मेरा देखो utility of x, utility of y rather say and utility of x is the crossing the marginal utility of y and marginal utility of x is crossed on the point of E. So this is the marginal utility curve and which is representing the equimarginal utility of the two commodities. यहाँ पे देखो diagram में PDF फाइल एक बार खोल के देख लेना. Consumer equilibrium, the position of equilibrium consumers can be shown by the diagram. And this diagram shows that the consumer is in equilibrium at point E, जो मैंने अभी describe किया, because the rupees 3 is the point and this two curve is crossing at the point of E where the consumer has attained the equal marginal utility by buying the 3 unit of commodity X and 2 unit of commodity Y. The consumer equilibrium को हम इसी फॉर्मेट में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. अगर डिटरमिनेशन ऑफ कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ द टू कमोडिटीज के क्वेश्चन क्रिएट होता है, you just draw this table and show the diagram with the help of this curve of marginal utility. This is called the marginal utility curve and you can explain just to draw and explain the price. Quantity is this side of x and quantity of this side is y. क्योंकि this is a combination of the two commodities, इसलिए मैंने एक ग्राफ में शो किया. अगर अलग अलग शो करना चाहोगे तो दो ग्राफ तुम्हें ड्रॉ करने पड़ेंगे, x का एंड y का. x का भी एक बार ड्रॉ करोगे, y का भी ड्रॉ करोगे, देखोगे सेम लेवल आ जाएगा दोनों तरफ. एक चीज इधर आ जाता है जो मैंने एक साथ दिखा के वहां पे ड्रॉ किया rather to in a two diagram. So it is better to draw of this type of curve and you can explain so this schedule or table format so that you can explain the determination of the two commodities. Clear? Thank you.